and hopefully the mic picks up my students too. Now, some things you can do is if you have a really quiet student that just whispered something, you could repeat back. So everybody, this is what Jamie said. It's a really good opinion. It's a really good idea. Let me make sure everybody heard it, and then repeat it back. That just took care of your issue. Now, you obviously don't want to do that a lot, or it's pretty weird, isn't it, right? So, and you can ask your students to speak up too when they, I'm sure you'll explain to them why you're video recording, and maybe they'll be kind and speak up a little bit. So have you video recorded any kind of lesson? Have you recorded any kind of lessons yet? Sure, okay. So Carmen Library has both of these setups. The School of Ed does have a couple. It's kind of nice to know you can go to one place and for sure get it. You could go to the School of Ed and be turned away, so you might as well just skip that and go right to Carmen Library. You also used to have to take your student ID. You do not have to do that anymore. You just walk in. Oh no, take your student ID. You don't have to fill out paperwork. That's what it used to be. So just bring your student ID. Okay, let's take a look at this handbook of ours. All right. I'm not going to go through the entire Ed TPA. It cannot be done this time period. We're just going to do an overview. That way, really important that you design some of your lesson, your assessments and stuff, that you know what's coming before we get to task 3. So we're going to take a look at each task, and it's also tricky because we do not